All right, welcome back. It's time for us to have a fun conversation about decorating food this Christmas, pastries and so on that we're making this Christmas, how to decorate something nice and easy and quick. So Chef Kofi Agyekum has joined us. He's from the Dainess Chef School, and he's a Pastry Chef Instructor, and he's going to help us to get into that. Let's take a look. Chef, good morning.
Good morning, Michael.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Fantastic. Yep. Now, you have all these, this is the donut that we know.
Donut, exactly.
But this one is bola.
It's big, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and then we have some cookies here.
There's cookies.
And then some cupcakes.
There's cupcakes.
All right, so let's get into it.
Right, basically we are going to have a twist of garnish on this. These are the basic pastries that we usually see them around. But today we are going to have a twist of it.
Okay.
And tune it into the Christmas festive season.
Nice.
Exactly.
Like
so I have my creams here.
Okay.
Whipped cream,
okay.
But then I give it a color to suit the festive season. You know,
okay.
Christmas, red
so
and
you've
green.
done your greens and
my
your
greens
reds
and my reds.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then I have my chocolate here.
All right, nice.
White chocolate, dark chocolate.
Okay.
And I also have my chocolate bath here.
Okay.
I'm going to stream the donuts in it, and then have our.
Okay, so these bags that you have here, just for the sake of our viewers, are these bags that you can easily buy, you can get access to, or you made them yourself?
Exactly. These bags, you can easily get them from any other shop.
Okay.
For instance, cake accessories.
Okay.
This is where
so you can just buy them.
You can buy them from that shop.
All right.
Exactly.
All right.
So these are disposable and it's sold everywhere.
Okay.
So these are disposable bags,
yeah.
in which I have my creams in them.
Super.
My cupcakes, the red velvet, and then the chocolate cake.
Okay.
They are cups, and then these are the cookies, and then the donuts.
Fantastic.
And these are you call them sugar balls.
Okay.
Therefore, as you can see some Christmas trees and other
there's some
things.
snowflakes and other things.
Perfect. So they are going to put them on top, and then we have display them on our plate.
Okay.
And back.
Let's do it.
All right. So, first of all, let me get my gloves on.
Okay. All right. So, if you're watching us and you would like to know exactly how to interact with us, the number is 0550-585832. You want to ask Chef Kofi Agyekum any question, please send those messages through right now. Yeah, so.
All right, so quickly first. What we have to do now, this is our donut. It's already fried.
Okay.
It's big. As you can see, it's even bigger than my palm.
Yes.
And donuts are usually not like this.
Yeah.
In Dainess Chef School, we create things
you
like
make
that.
big things like that. Okay.
Like that.
Right, nice.
Right. So I dip in my chocolate.
Okay. Ooh.
A little more.
Already looking yummy. Okay. I like it.
Christmas and kids.
Yeah.
So that's the first one. My second donut.
Okay. So in terms of preparation, this is just the normal baking process. You know, but then how quickly can we get this done? Is it like a 5-minute thing?
As in doing this, decorating within the 5, among the three products, within 10 minutes.
Okay, we should be done. Okay.
Yeah, it's supposed to be done. Yeah.
Okay.
So quickly,
So what's next?
After we finish dipping chocolate, next one we do same as the.
Okay. So you're going to dip all of them?
Just the cookies.
The cookies, okay.
Usually it's supposed to be, people like using royal icing. But most of the times I try to dive into the nutritional aspect.
Okay.
Using chocolate.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. I think we're all about that this
exactly.
Christmas. Okay, so this is pure chocolate?
Pure chocolate.
Okay.
No chocolate can cause mess anytime.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do with 3.
Okay.
And then a Christmas tree.
Okay.
All right, so
this is nice.
Okay. Now we go in with our
the
sugar balls. But before then, we start to do our pipe on our donut.
Okay, you're going to pipe the designs.
Designs on the donut. Going to make it look more appetizing.
Okay. Oh, okay. So the shape of it is already, it's because of the way the
exactly, because of the nozzle. So these are my star nozzles. But some they comes in sizes.
Okay.
Big, medium, smallest.
Nice.
I do with the other one.
As soon as you add the green, Christmas is here.
Christmas is here, you know.
Nice.
And a bit of touch of a bit white.
Okay. Nice.
Then I go with my
Oh, okay. So all of these decorations
Yes.
are edible, right?
they are all
So
edible.
it's
Anything
very-
you see on the product,
Yeah.
they are all edible.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I go in with their sugar balls.
Nice.
So it's Christmas, so
Wow.
we need to make our donut look.
It's amazing how just a little adding something has just changed the whole look. And even the way it feels, just, you're imagining something really exciting.
Yeah. So same thing also on that. Just to change the tweet.
Nice.
Whenever you see such things, Christmas is around the
Absolutely.
corner.
Absolutely. Okay.
All right. So it's our donut.
Yep. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. This is exciting. Okay. Super. I can't wait to see what you do with the cupcakes.
Exactly. Now we move on with the cupcake. Pick my cookies.
Okay.
Now the cupcake. We're going to practice the piping
Okay.
techniques. Yeah. So this is where we apply our piping skills. So this
Okay.
one, you and I are going to do together.
Okay. Let me just make my hands a little bit. Let's do that.
So you watch me for the first time.
Okay.
I start from the center, and I pipe.
Okay. Let's do this one. Why not?
It's okay. No, do on the chocolate.
Okay. So,
Show me you're a chef. So now we'll enroll you in the school there. I think you raise it up a bit. It's not bad. Good. This one I rate you maybe 8/10, which is good.
thank you.
Yeah, 8/10
That's
is
an
good.
A.
Yeah. So after the school, you get your 10.
Okay.
And you go with the green
The
one.
green.
So you watch me carefully. Just look at it.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
So you can
Mine.
see this one. I make it different from this one.
Okay. I'll do mine.
Yes, do yours second time.
Okay.
As you pipe in, you are raising the bag. No, you pipe with pressure, then you raise it. Perfect. You are there. You only need to come to the school and then you are gone. Right.
I'm enjoying my own skills.
So I will do with our chocolate also.
Okay.
So these are chocolates that we sell it around anywhere.
Okay.
You can grab them anywhere.
Okay. Ah, okay.
I do with my snowball.
Okay.
You need to balance the colors.
Okay. Fantastic.
So you assist me with the spoon. Exactly. Christmas is here.
All right. Fantastic. So how can people reach you?
Dainess Chef School. Yeah, we are located on the Spaintex Road.
Okay. Let's arrange this
And we
case
can
over
be
here.
found on all social media.
Okay. What's the name on social media?
Dainess Chef School.
Okay.
On Facebook
Let's
and
arrange
IG.
it. Okay. On Facebook and IG.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
Dainess Chef School.
Okay. Fantastic.
That's
Jifa, would you like to join me on the set here? Let's take a look at what's been happening here. Very exciting
I
stuff.
absolutely love this.
Since she joined, it's like with the last.
We wanted to do the last
That's
one.
you also practice the last one.
We've run out of time.
Yes,
We've
we
run
wanna
out
try
of time,
that?
but
So
let
quickly
me just do
push
that
out.
quickly.
Exactly.
All right,
You know,
we're done.
that's
Oh.
it. Done.
Perfect.
You're natural.
So if people at
Simple,
home want
very
to
fast.
do this with their families, they can always find you guys and
Exactly.
you help them do
You help
this
them do
fun
that.
stuff with the entire
Fantastic.
family. You just added a touch to
That's
our
you.
usual boring
Our
pastries.
usual, exactly. So these are our usual pastries we have home.
Super.
Beautiful.
Thank you very
I
much.
almost don't want to eat it because
I
it's
want to
so
say a big
gorgeous.
thank you to Chef Kofi Agyekum of the Dainess Chef School, and they've done a fantastic thing. Now you can also get in touch with them and do something for your family as well. Thank you for watching Breakfast Daily this
Yep.
morning.
If you
It's
missed
been good.
any segment of the show, head on over to our YouTube page, CityTube. Subscribe, comment, and like. And we're going to enjoy this. And we'll see you guys Thursday at The Situation. My
Yep.
name is Jifa Agyekum.
And I'm Kweku David.
Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Bye-bye.